Hello beauties and welcome to Makeup 101. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out. In this series so far, we've covered areas like skin prep, foundation and concealer application for flawless complexion. In today's episode, we will bring the color back into our face and finish up our beginner-friendly makeup. I have added the links below for you to watch what we've covered so far in the series. In today's video, we will be using eyeshadow, blush, eyebrow pencil, and a fixing spray. Let's start off with our eyeshadow. I'm going to use a slightly darker pink on the crease of my lid. I'm using a sweeping motion with a big fluffy brush. For my lids, I'm using a lighter shadow. I'm also using a smaller and flatter brush for the application. For our lids, we're going to use a patting motion. This helps pack on the pigment onto the lids. I'm going in back with the blending brush, that big fluffy one we've used before, to blend out any harsh lines between the two different eyeshadows. Use a highlight color and place this under the arch of your eyebrow. I'm using a cream blush and applying it to the highest points of my cheeks. I'm using my fingers to blend in the product. We're using an eyebrow pencil to fill in our eyebrows. Then we're going to go in with a spoolie to brush it out and neaten our brows. Now use a lip liner to outline your lips. Apply your lipstick and blend into the liner. Reapply liner if you need to. I like to use a gloss over my lipstick to finish my lip combo look. To finish this look, I'm going to set it with a setting spray. This will help lock in all that makeup so it'll last the whole day. And there you have it, a fresh, radiant complexion that looks natural and beautiful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so have fun experimenting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until the next time, stay fabulous.